Hello everyone, let's make something different but scrumptious with Noreos cookies. So you start by adding some milk powder into a bowl or a plate, then add some sugar and then little water. So you mix everything together. Once they are properly mixed, then you're going to be adding in your crushed Noreos cookies. Okay, so once you crush these cookies, you drop them or you add it into the milk that you have just made or you have just mixed. So after adding the Noreos cookies, you have something like this. Then you're going to set that aside. Next, you're going to make a short crust pastry with flour and some margarine. You can also use butter in place of margarine. Then you're going to combine this to form a short crust with a little bit of water. You can also use milk to form this short crust. Now go ahead and roll out the short crust just as you see in the video. Once you roll out the short crust, you cut off the excess on the side of this short crust. Make sure that you have a very clean and neat cutting just as you see in the video. Then scoop onto this short crust the Noreos that you have mixed with the milk, and then you're going to roll this up. You can put any design of your choice anyways, and once that is done, you brush the top or you egg wash the top with some egg. Then you sprinkle some of the crushed Noreos on top and bake in your preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 45 minutes, and you have this amazing scrumptious stuff. Like, I don't even know the name to call it, and I ended up calling it Noreos roll. But honestly, this tasted super amazing. It tasted so good. I bet you if you try this, you're going to be hooked. So don't forget to try it and let me know how it